Alright, here we are at gotomath.com. We're looking at some calculus and focusing in on how to solve limits analytically. We have the limit as x approaches 0 of x times cotan x. Okay, well let's check that out. And that's the previous problem. Let's get rid of that. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 of x times cotan of x. Now this cotangent here can be rewritten as the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over tan x, and of course that can be combined as x over tan x, and I have worked that problem out before. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually just convert this to sine and cosine, so we'll work it again if you haven't seen it. So this becomes x over sine x over cosine x, and then we'll write it out again, and that becomes cosine x times x over sine x. And of course we can break this up, and I don't know, I'm running out of room here. The limit of cosine x times the limit as x approaches 0 of x over sine x. Now this is equal to 1, and I've worked this a bunch of times in some other problems, but it all stems from the fact that we have to memorize this guy right here. Okay, this is one that we must memorize, and we can take that and take this and multiply it by this one here, and you will see that this whole limit here is equal to 1, right? To multiply, you would say the limit as x approaches 0 of x over sine x times the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x, and you can combine both of these two into a single limit as x over sine x times sine x over x, and of course this is going, the x's cancel out, sines cancel out, and you're left with 1, right? So this shows that this guy right here is equal to 1, and 1 times, if you did the direct substitution, cosine of 0 times 1, right, and you get 1. Okay, so this guy is equal to 1, and how fun is that? So hopefully you kept up with all that. I'm not sure what I don't know if I programmed, I know I hadn't programmed the help yet, so yeah, we get 1. Alright, I got to go through and write some script for the help, but it should be on there eventually. And of course click on that and you'll watch this video. Alright, well there it is, and we're moving on to something different, one of these problems. Alright.